Google Jamboard Tutorial for Beginners, all you need to get started with Google Jamboard. Hello guys, Ilya here, and in this video I'm going to show you how can we easily get started with Google Jamboard. So this service provides us the opportunity to create our own whiteboard online. So here we are on jamboard.google.com, and as you can see I don't have a gem yet. So in order to create, we just simply need to click on plus in the right bottom corner, and we'll come to the editor page where we can find all the stuff we need to work with our virtual whiteboard. As you can see in the top of the screen, we have some options. We can undo and redo some options of our actions. Basically, we can zoom in and zoom out. We can set the background, so we can change it to, for example, like this. We can make it like this, like this. So there are a lot of options we can change, and also we can add our image. I would like to set it as a blue colored background, and also we can clear frame if it's necessary. So sometimes it could be really interesting. In the left side there is main instruments we can use. Pen, so we can write something or draw, basically pretty cool. So let's undo this step. As you can see in the left top corner, this option is right up here. We can also erase, so for example, if we need to delete some part here, we can easily do it with our eraser. The steps are quite simple, the same as in Point or in other virtual whiteboards. So these instruments are quite simple. The next instrument is select, so we can easily interact with our objects. So let's try to do it a little bit later. Also, we can add sticky notes. So if you'll click, we can change the color. We can make it black, white, any color we need. So let it be yellow. And also we can add the text subscribe now, for example. We can then just click on save, and our sticky note will be successfully added. So if you'll go to select instrument, we can easily replace it. We can resize, we can click on more, we can find some other properties, we can edit, duplicate or delete. So basically let's, for example, duplicate, and now we have two nodes. We can make it less, like this. Also, we can add different images, so we can find them from our computer. We can upload them using a link, with webcam, with Google Images, with Google Drive, and so on. So there are a lot of options provided. And what is pretty cool is that in the same way we can add circles and some other stuff. So we can easily add text here. We can interact. Basically, we can duplicate, and even in order we can send backward, send back, some other stuff. So the navigation is quite simple in Google Jamboard. And also we can add a text box here. So the way we can add the text, so let it be the name of our channel. And we can also customize our text. Simply just click on edit. And now we can interact. We can change the color, we can change the position. So basically let's change the color to, for example, this one here. So as you can see now it looks like this. And also we can add lasers. What's the differences in between pen? So it's disappears in a few seconds. I think it's pretty cool. So we can highlight something, and after that it will be successfully removed. So we can also switch between different boards in the top of the screen. So we can go to the next frame, and I think it's pretty cool because with the help of Jamboard, we can easily create presentations or something like this, and we can easily use it online or offline to create videos. In this case, we can easily interact. We can create a lot of different steps. So we can also interact with these slides. If you click on more in the right top corner, we can rename this field. We can download it as PDF. We can save freeze frame, like an image. We can remove, make a copy, get help, and so on basically. Also, we can switch between different services. We can create a meeting with this presentation or do some other stuff. And in order to rename, we just simply need to click on Untitled Gem, and here we can create, for example, like board 1, let it be like this, and okay. So if you click on Jamboard Home in the left top corner, we'll come to the dashboard, and from this page here we can easily manage all the stuff we need. So all the boards will appear here, and if you click on more, we can see that we can rename, download as PDF, or remove. So in this case, so we can easily come back to editing, add some other stuff, and so on. And as you can see, the Jamboard don't have any it doesn't have any paid plans or something like this, so it means that this service is totally free. And as for me, it's pretty cool. Of course, there is not features, not options are provided. For example, we don't have the option to add arrows, lines, but we can easily basically draw it by ourselves. And sometimes it could be even easier to draw them than to create. And as for me, it's pretty cool. So in order to create some schemas, for example, we can easily use sticky notes if we need with text. So sometimes it's even easier to do. So basically we can just use this one as the main, then we can resize some more options here, like here. From this page we can easily add this option like that. Here we can duplicate, and then we can change all the text. And for example, we can draw our schemas like this. So for example, if we want to create like a mind map or something like this, I think it's pretty cool. And you know, sometimes it's even better to draw it than to try to create a structure, because in this way we can explain our feelings, we can explain our thoughts, and sometimes, you know, it's even easier to draw than to create a shape we already have. So this is the way basically of how can we use Jamboard. As you can see, they don't have their own website. It's integrated service on Google. So basically, to find the Jamboard, we just simply need to input in a search bar like Jamboard Google online, and from this page here we can just simply find it right up here. So this is the way of how can we use Jamboard whiteboard. I hope guys this video helped you out. If you have any questions, you can of course write them in the comments below. I'll try to answer for all of them. So that's all for this video. Please leave a like, comment, and subscribe. I wish you a very good day. Goodbye.